Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a makeup trick that honestly changed the game for me, and I think it will for many of you, especially if you have beautiful, round eyes. We're talking about the magic of applying mascara only to your top lashes. I know it sounds almost too simple, right? But trust me, the effect is incredible. So, why just the top lashes? Well, if you have round eyes like I do, our goal with makeup is often to create a more elongated almond-like shape. We want to lift and extend the eye horizontally. When we apply mascara to both the top and bottom lashes, it tends to open the eye up vertically, making it look even rounder. It's a gorgeous look for sure, but it emphasizes the natural roundness rather than reshaping it. By focusing all that mascara goodness solely on the top lash line, you're creating an immediate visual lift. Think about it. The dark, voluminous top lashes draw the eye upward, creating a sort of feline or cut-eye effect without any eyeliner. It's like an instant, subtle eye lift that elongates your eye shape from the outer corner. This technique is all about strategic placement to play with proportions and create a new, desired shape. Let's try it out together. I'm going to use my favorite volumizing mascara. First, give your lashes a really good curl. This is non-negotiable. Curling is what starts the lifting process. Now, take your mascara wand and really work it into the roots of your top lashes. Wiggle it back and forth to build a solid, dark base. This is where the magic starts. By making the base of your lashes super dark, you're essentially creating a subtle, natural eyeliner effect that defines the upper lash line beautifully. Once you've got the roots covered, start pulling the wand through to the tips. But here's the key. As you pull the mascara through, concentrate your application on the outer half of your lashes. I like to physically pull the wand outwards towards my temples as I'm applying the second and third coats. This directs the lashes to fan out, further enhancing that elongated, lifted look. You're basically telling your lashes, hey, go this way, and creating that gorgeous winged out effect. Do you see the difference already? Look at this eye with mascara only on top versus this one where I've done nothing yet. The first eye looks instantly more lifted and almond-shaped. The focus is entirely on the upper part of the eye, creating a sleek, elegant line. Now, let's leave the bottom lashes completely bare. I know it might feel strange at first if you're used to coating them, but look at the result. Leaving them bare keeps the lower part of the eye clean and bright. This prevents any shadows from being cast underneath, which can sometimes make eyes look tired or smaller. And it keeps the focus exactly where we want it, on that beautiful upward lift. This simple switch has totally transformed my everyday makeup routine. It makes my eyes look more awake, more defined, and it gives me that sultry, elongated shape I love, all just by skipping one little step. It's proof that sometimes, in makeup, less really is more. It's about working with your unique features to enhance them in a way that makes you feel amazing. So, if you have round eyes and you've never tried this, I dare you to give it a go for a week and see how you feel. You might just fall in love with the result. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss any of my future videos. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this trick or if you have any other eye shaping hacks. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.